friends, Kristin LaVanway here with a real quick Phoenix real estate market update for you. So we've been all sitting around with our fingers crossed, waiting for those inventory levels to come up, and we're still waiting. I'm sad to say that inventory is actually down a little bit compared to last week. Last week we had 28.7% of our normal supply, and this week it's down to 27.7% of our normal supply. So that is not the direction we want to be heading into. We've been very hopeful because normally listings go up at the beginning of the year. But that hasn't really been the case so much in the last 2 years, which is why we're in the predicament that we're in now. Just to give you a little perspective, we have put 3,540 new listings on the market so far this year. Good job, sellers. However, we have 10,383 homes under contract right now. So that 3,540 feels very, drop in the bucket-esque. We really need more than that. Demand is down just a hair. And that's probably because buyers can't find a house to buy. They'd be more than happy to put more homes under contract if they could just get their offer accepted. So not a big shocker that the Cromford Market Index, our index we use to, take the temperature of the Phoenix real estate market, it's up this week, 467.2 compared to 455 last week. Not the direction we were hoping to head into. Here are the top 5 cities. You can see that Chandler has pushed its way to the top of the pack. And here's a fun fact. Mirage, a little town on the west side that probably most people don't even know is there. The Cromford Market Index in that cute little town, 898.2. That's great. It's insane. It is insane. Remember, 100 is a balanced market, so I don't even need to tell you what 900 feels like. Mirage offers a great value, $165 per square foot on average out in Mirage compared to $214 per square foot in Metro Phoenix. So yes, hotspot Mirage. With all that said, I'm sure it's not a big surprise to you that prices are going up. Last month in December, prices went up 3%. You heard that right, 3% in 1 month. And this month it's projected to go up 2.4%. January is usually a very sluggish month. It's sort of like the hangover month, right? Dry January and all that. As a matter of fact, in the last 6 months, prices have gone up 15.8%. And don't need to take your calculator out. I'll do the math for you. That's equivalent to 31% per year. Now, do I think prices are going to go up 31% this year? I find that very hard to believe. I can't imagine that this kind of activity is sustainable, but let's just keep our expectations realistic, grounded in really what we're seeing right now. Prices are definitely going up this year. According to Freddie Mac, interest rates are now at 2.79%, up from 2.65% last week. Don't shed too many tears over that, buyers, because 2.79% is still really, really low. But bottom line, we got a tough year ahead. Sellers, I don't think I would remind you that this is an excellent time to put your house on the market. Throw us a bone, would you? Even the worst house on the block is probably going to get a couple of offers right now. So help us out, would you? And buyers, hang in there, be patient. It's not going to be like this forever, okay? So as always, if you have any questions or comments, you know where to find me, Kristin@hereinphoenix.com. That's where. Go out there and make it a marvelous Monday.